Hi, I'm Sonia and this is Dolores, and we're with the Trentadue Torres real estate team from Remax Hallmark York Group. Today we're at our newest listing at 35 Christian Hoover Drive in Stouffville.
This 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom home has ample storage and a finished basement.
The home features numerous upgrades, including this beautiful kitchen with stainless steel brand new appliances, beautiful backsplash, including these beautiful rich colored cabinets. The kitchen also features this beautiful island, which is great for entertaining, and you have a beautiful area here for dining right in the eat-in breakfast area that seats up to 6 to 8 people.
This corner home has large windows giving off lots of light and has been freshly painted.
It also features beautifully hand-scraped hardwood flooring and features an upgraded banister with white spindles. The 3 bedrooms on the upper level are of generous size. It also includes an upper level washer and dryer. The home also features interlocked landscaping from front to the back of the property. This home is located walking distance to several schools and parks, also walking distance to the GO station on Main Street, Stouffville, and home also features easy accessibilities to highways 407 and the 404.
If you have any questions about this amazing home, you can reach us at 905-727-1941.
Check us out on Facebook, YouTube, and now Twitter for all your up-to-date real estate news.
We are local real estate agents with international exposure. Call us anytime.